Cordial greetings. My name is Paula Natalia Bernal Becerra. I'm a student for industrial engineering in the subject technological evaluation and negotiation. The name of this unit is number 3, Understand IT Negotiation. I'm part of the group 136. Today is November 20, 2021. So let's start. This chart, it's about the problems to negotiate about biological products. We need to explain, I'm going to explain the problem relating to the protection of intellectual property. One of the problems that we can face with the intellectual property in this field, like by biotechnological products, it's like these are patents. So patents and investigation research. So the rights of duties of the intellectual property protection can be ignored, and this can be an advantage to big companies to take these ideas, maybe because some people doesn't know how to keep safe that intellectual property, because it's a new field. So many people, they don't have like all the information about this. About the value technology is the same. It's a new field, so it's very complex because also it's a patent, and you need to explore each field that they are going to do they are going to exploit that. Maybe different communities, different countries, the different prices. So the value of the technology of these biotechnological products it's kind of complex. Also, in each state of the process, you need to do like the calculation of the price. So, and depends of the place can be variable. The problem related with the negotiation is because it's a investigation project, so it's hard to know, or it's not like you have a process defined when you need to invest the money. In the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. So it's a risk, a very big risk to lose money. There are some models that we can do this analyzing. In this case, I'm going to explain the technology transfer. What is it? It's a process of incorporating a company or organization into a productive unit with a technology developed outside of it. Scientific and technological knowledge is transferred from a sourced organization to a destination organization, ensuring the effectiveness of the market during this process. So what it means, it's a company get a new technology from other, but they are going to transfer this technology to the new company. All the process, all the technologies, all the machines, everything they are going to transfer to one place, to other place, to this new company can start the production of that. There are some advantage. What is that? Can increase the competitiveness because it's going to be in different markets, gonna open the view for different markets. A company can have access and information for new technologies and can have an economic profitability. But also they have some disadvantage in this model. Can increase in the investment, so maybe in every investment can be a risk that you can earn something or you can lose. Other is maybe the lack of knowledge of the new technology. You are acquiring at new technology, but maybe a company doesn't have all the information about it. Maybe they doesn't know how to use all that new technology and take advantage of that, and increase the competitive threat. Some recommendation for that regarding intellectual property. It's very important be ensured that the type of the intellectual property, maybe patent, trademark, trade secret, it's according to our needs and projections of the company. In the technological valuation, the profitability that will be obtained with this new technology and the rights that the company will have other must be analyze what we are going to get in the future. If I can take some economic advantage of that, it's very important have clear that. And in relation of the negotiation, it's important to clarify the action and investment. Make a right plan before do the investment in something. Be sure that we are not going to lose this money investment. Thank you so much for your attention.